Namaste. How are you guys? Today I am coming with a new weight loss session. In this video I am going to tell you some combination of exercise and yoga that will help you to reduce your weight. Friends, think, if you are overweight, do you like that? Of course no. You can't wear your choice of clothes, you can't do some activities, even you have to tolerate taunts of your friends and relatives that अरे तुम तो मोटी हो गई, अरे तारो तो वजन वधी गयो. Now in a serious point, if you are overweight, in future you have a very high chance to have a diabetes, cholesterol, heart disease, breathing issues, knee pain, back pain and etc. So in this video I am going to tell you some exercise and yoga that I used to do when I want to lose my weight. In present I also follow this routine. Overweight or weight gain is a very big issue in India nowadays. So I request to everyone, please work out every day to fit or to live healthy lifestyle. Before I start doing exercise, I suggest you, if you have a knee pain, back pain, high blood pressure or heart disease, please consult your doctor before doing this exercise. In starting, it is very hard to do too many repetitions. Please do as per your capacity, and if you seriously want to lose your weight, it's not a 1-2 days work. You have to do this regularly, and you also have to follow a good diet. So dear friends, I'm going to start exercise now. Best of luck everyone. Hope you are doing this exercise at your home. First we are doing some jumping exercise. There are so many types of jumping exercise, but today I will show you two types of jumping. First one is running and second one is the jumping jacks. This exercise, breathing is a very important. So you have to follow your breathing. So for running, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You have to do this for 50 to 100 times. Starting, I think it's impossible for you, but after few times you can do it, I know. We will do 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In this exercise, you have to try to touch your heels to the hips. Now we are going to start another exercise, jumping jacks. For jumping jacks, whenever you raise your hands up, you have to inhale. When you bring your hands down, you have to exhale. Now we will do jumping jacks for 25 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You have to follow your breathing, and you should breathe from your nose, not from your mouth. Now again we will do 25 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If you do this exercise daily, you should increase your repetitions. Like today we are doing 25 times. In future you have to do like 50 times, 100 times in each round. Friends, next exercise is a high knee. For this exercise, when you lift your leg up, you have to exhale and try to push your stomach in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This exercise you have to repeat for 50 times. I am going to start the next exercise, side kick. For that you can also use a chair or a wall support. Now for right side we do 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In this exercise, your knee should be straight. Now we will do for left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This exercise will help you to reduce your thigh fat. Now we will do a standing forward bend. If you have a knee pain or a back pain, you can use your chair. Sit down on your chair comfortably. If your leg can't reach to the floor, you can use a block under your feet. Now, we will do this exercise for 10 times. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale up. Exhale, relax your hands. Now if you don't have a knee pain or a back pain, you can do this exercise without a chair. Like this. Bring your feet slightly apart. Now inhale. Stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward from your lower back. Inhale up. Exhale down. 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 Inhale up. Exhale down and hold your ankle. Stay here for a few seconds and try to touch your forehead to the knee. Now look up. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, relax. If you don't have a back pain, you can do this exercise for 20 times. After finish all this exercise, you have to rest for 5 to 10 minutes in Savasana or balance your temperature and body energy. For next few days, please follow this exercise. After few days, I will come with a new exercise. So तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहे, मस्त रहे. Thank you and enjoy your life.